I've been wheeling this low crown panel for the hood section, the top section here, for quite a while. It's a gentle process because we can't bear down too much pressure and create waves in it since it is a low crown. And if you can see the reflections of the tubes there, they're not looking too bad. A little bit of motion there as we translate down the hood, but overall it's coming in pretty smooth. In the back area over here, right there, it's coming in quite well. We just need to increase the crown here a little bit more at the front so it blends in with these panels. This will have to come up a little bit. We'll have to add a piece to the front, and it's not looking too bad on this side as well. See there at the back by the windshield, it's coming in quite well. We'll just have to wheel this up through here, the center section, a little bit more, have the edges drop down, and blend in with the side pieces. Let's get this off the car, do a little more wheeling, and then we can hopefully put it up there for the last time. We're on the final stretch of wheeling this hood out, and we have to be extremely careful that we don't create any waves as we're finishing it off, because you don't want to keep wheeling it up and wheeling it up. A little more to the front. Need to squeeze the center a little bit just to have the edges drop down a little more than they are. Oops. Come to the middle and stop. Okay, we're going to go out. Keep going out, 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 out. Done. Okay, that's it. Keep going. Right here. Same over there. That's looking nice. Okay, so what we were just discussing is the fact that we wheeled the center up, and now the sides have come down to where they need to be. This is fitting in quite well through here. That'll blend in very well to these side panels. But we have a dish here now. We've taken material, pulled it into the middle, and when we roll this over, just like on the doors, we've taken material away from this area here. So we have to start this area here, stretch this out, and blend that into the middle section. And like I said before, we can't overwheel it. We just have to kind of blend the two sides in, and they're both symmetric. So what's happened here has also happened over there, which is something, as long as you know how to correct it, you can do that quite easily. So we'll go back to the wheel, start wheeling through here, and blending it into the middle. Aside from that, everything else is coming in well.
You might have to come this far. Slight dish right there.
Yeah, you can see it from your end.
Yeah.
So my dad can see a slight dish from his end. From here, it looks great.
Right there.
So,
A bit of a,
yeah, we'll,
so when you wheel that, you're coming maybe this far so that you catch that.
yeah. Where this radius starts, here it's nice. This is really nice through here. But right here, all the way to the front, we'll just wheel in to the middle. It'll be like a triangular wheeling pattern. And we'll correct that.
This side man is bad.
A little bit,
Just a little,
right there.
on the other
Yep,
edge.
yep. So we'll do the same thing, both sides. Start here, turn the sheet around, come back, and just take care of that. Fun, eh? Just trim here. Yeah, I don't want to mash that down. So we have to be very careful that we don't go into that radius with the wheel. Otherwise, we'll have to correct some pre-stretch. And you're basically driving over there. Okay. Applying very light pressure because we want to bring it up very slowly. and then we'll go back out to the edge. I'm correcting a few little waves. See, the outside edge is creating some little ripples, and as we're stretching them, those ripples are slowly going away. It's okay. Just keep going. Pressure might be set at about 10% of what we normally wheel at. Just watching the panel come up. Okay, last pass, we're coming out. Out we go. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Were you guys keeping track as to how many passes we made? A bit of a dip back here yet. Okay.
I think this is about it.
That's it. There's one little thing at the front I want to fix. And out we go. Okay. Okay. Easy. Out we go. So what we're doing right now is called washing the panel. We're just cleaning up any little inconsistencies in the surface, any little bumps anywhere. The pressure is down to about 5%, maybe less. It's almost like plenishing. And go towards the middle again. Sounds quite nice now too. Out we go. Beautiful. Okay, one side's done. Good. It's okay. You see it, eh? Okay. Out we go. Good. That's it. Okay, this panel's done. And now we can move on to the surrounding panels. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, just pick it up. What's this one? Yeah, we don't have much room to play with. Material. That's nice. Okay, see this? Oh, that looks beautiful. A couple little ripples along the side there, but a lot of this material is going to be trimmed away and blended in to the side panel here. But the curvatures are really good. The reflections are perfect on top. So this panel is all set. We can start trimming this off and start fitting it to these panels. I want to finish up these side panels first before we get into this, so that all the pieces for the hood are finished in terms of shaping, but then once these are done, we can start fitting everything together. All right, guys, so we're on the final stretch of this hood section. This is the last piece that needs to be fabricated. Right now, we're taking and fitting this piece here to the cut line for the hood. Now, this has been rolled up a little bit higher just to accommodate that flat bar there, but later on, we'll unroll that. And hopefully it doesn't make too much noise, but this has to sit right down in there. And we're getting close. So once that is dialed in, then we'll take and start working the top and blending it in with that piece there, which will probably mean that we take off quite a bit of material off of this flange. This is going to roll down. There's going to be a cut line for the hood just above here on the flat bar. There'll be a 1/4 inch space there. Then the hood will take off from there. And then from this point down, that's the grill. So you can see we don't need all this material here. There's just a lot of overlap, but that's not a problem. Better to have more than try adding it on later.